Ever feel like there's never enough time in your day? Between work, family, and life, every minute counts. Cooking meals, then cleaning up. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It's exhausting, right? I used to dread meal prep. Chopping, blending, stirring, heating. So many steps. And don't get me started on scrubbing dishes after. I wanted a way to save time and energy in the kitchen. That's when I discovered the Blendtec Total Blender Classic. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. This blender is a total game changer for busy lives. It's not just any blender, it's professional grade power. With 10 speeds and 6 smart pre-programmed cycles, making smoothies, soups, even ice cream is effortless. The secret? Advanced technology and the 4-side jar design. It creates a vortex, pulling food straight to the blades. No more stopping to scrape down the sides. No tamper needed, one less thing to clean up. Want hot soup? Blendtec heats it while blending. No extra pots or pans, just pour and serve. Craving ice cream? Same blender, same jar in seconds. Drinks, appetizers, mains, desserts, all with one machine. Prep time drops from minutes to mere seconds. Cleanup? Push the self-clean button. Done. Seriously, one jar to wash instead of a pile of dishes. The illuminated LCD timer shows you exactly how long is left. No guesswork, just perfect blends every time. Let me show you how easy it is. First, I toss in fresh fruit and greens. Hit the smoothie cycle, watch the vortex pull everything in. No chunks, no fuss, just creamy, smooth goodness. Next, let's make hot soup for dinner. Veggies, broth, seasonings, all go in the jar. Blend and heat, no stove needed. Pour straight from the jar. Dinner's ready. Now dessert, homemade ice cream. Add frozen fruit, milk, a touch of honey. Blendtec whips up creamy ice cream in seconds. 3 courses, 1 blender, 1 jar. Ready to clean up? Just add water and soap. Press the self-clean button. Let Blendtec do the work. A quick rinse and it's spotless. No more piles of pots and pans. No more wasted time scrubbing and soaking. Blendtec gives me more time for my family. More time for hobbies, relaxation, and fun. It's perfect for busy families and health enthusiasts. Home cooks love the versatility and speed. You can make whole juices, batters, frozen treats, and more. Feel confident with every blend. Technology does the hard work. No more guessing or worrying about results. The Blendtec handles tough ingredients with ease. Nuts, seeds, frozen fruit, bring it on. It's built to last and looks sleek on your countertop. The 75 Oz jar means you can make big batches. Perfect for parties, meal prep, or family dinners. I've saved hours each week since switching to Blendtec. Less stress, less mess, more delicious meals. If you value your time, this blender is for you. Don't settle for old, slow blenders that hold you back. Upgrade to the world's most advanced blender. Blendtec is worth every penny for the time it saves. Imagine what you'll do with all those extra hours. Try new recipes, eat healthier, enjoy life more. Make meal prep fun and effortless again. Ready to transform your kitchen routine? Choose Blendtec Total Blender Classic today. Experience powerful blending and easy cleaning. Give yourself the gift of more time. Focus on what matters most: family, health, happiness. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Don't wait, make every meal faster and better with Blendtec.